How much should you actually spend on a chef robot smart food processor? Because some people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Ganiza Electric Food Chopper. First up, we have the Ganiza Food Processor. This electric chopper caught my attention with its dual bowls and powerful 450W copper motor, all for just $50.99. If you want a reliable kitchen helper that can chop, grind, and mix with ease, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Ganiza features 2 8-cup bowls, 1 glass and 1 stainless steel, so you can keep your meats and veggies separate, which is a huge deal for hygiene. Its 450W motor is designed for professional use, meaning you won't be waiting forever for your ingredients to be chopped. Plus, it has an overheating protection system, so you can chop away without worrying about it burning out on you. Now, some people complained about it occasionally overheating during heavy use. Here's the thing though, this is a safety feature, so it pauses when it gets too hot. It might be a slight inconvenience, but honestly, I'd prefer that over it breaking down completely. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile food processor that can handle various kitchen tasks without breaking the bank. Skip this one if your kitchen is super small, since it does take up some counter space. For $50.99, you get a lot of value in this compact powerhouse. Now, if the occasional overheating of the Ganiza bugged you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Ganiza 2-Speed Food Chopper. Next, we have another Ganiza model, the 2-Speed Food Chopper, priced at just $39.99. The ergonomic button design really caught my eye, making it super easy to use. If you're looking for something affordable yet effective, this is a solid option. This food processor features a built-in overheat protection light, so you'll always know when it's safe to keep going. With 2 sets of stainless steel blades and dual 8-cup bowls, you can chop everything from vegetables to nuts without any hassle. The fact that it's dishwasher safe means cleanup is a breeze, which is a huge plus for busy cooks. Some reviewers mention that it can be a bit noisy during operation. But I'll be real with you, what food processor is. It's a small price to pay for the efficiency and ease this device delivers. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly food processor that's easy to use and clean. Skip this one if you're looking for a heavy-duty machine for large batches, as its capacity might not be enough. For under $40, it's an excellent entry-level choice. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need more power. Product number 3, Ninja Professional Plus Food Processor. Moving on, we have the Ninja Food Processor, which is a bit pricier at $99.98. This one really impressed me with its 1000 peak watt motor and 4 auto IQ functions. If you're serious about meal prep, this is definitely worth a look. What stands out about this Ninja model is its impressive 9-cup bowl and precision blades, designed to handle tough ingredients effortlessly. The Auto IQ technology takes the guesswork out of food prep, allowing you to chop, slice, puree, and even make dough with just one touch. Imagine how much time you'll save with this in your kitchen. However, some users found it a bit bulky and tricky to store. But here's the thing, if you're cooking in larger batches, the capacity makes it worth the space. Plus, with its sleek design, it'll look good on your counter. This is perfect for you if you're often cooking for a family or hosting dinner parties and need something that can tackle larger tasks efficiently. Skip this if you only need something for small, quick jobs. At $99.98, you're investing in a reliable kitchen ally. Now, if you need something with a bit more capacity, let's talk about the Cuisinart. Product number 4, Cuisinart 14-Cup Food Processor. Next up, we have the Cuisinart Food Processor, priced at $247.61. I was genuinely surprised by its 14-cup capacity. If you do a lot of cooking, this is a powerhouse. This model features a 720-watt motor and can handle everything from mincing to kneading dough, making it super versatile. That's a game changer for meal prep. Now, some buyers mention that the slicing and shredding blades aren't adjustable, which could be a deal breaker for some. But honestly, if you're looking for consistent results, that's not necessarily a bad thing. It's built to last and comes with a 3-year warranty, so you know you're covered. This is perfect for you if you often prepare large meals and want something that can keep up with your cooking demands. Skip this if you need something small and compact. For $247.61, it's an investment, but one that many home chefs swear by. And if you want something smaller, let's check out the Cuisinart Mini Prep Plus. Product number 5, Cuisinart Mini Prep Plus Food Processor. Finally, we have the Cuisinart Mini Prep Plus Food Processor priced at just $39.95. This one's perfect for smaller tasks like chopping herbs or grinding cheese, and it really surprised me with its efficiency. The 250-watt motor and patented reversible stainless steel blade allow for quick chopping and grinding. Plus, the dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup a breeze, which is a huge perk. Some users found it doesn't handle larger quantities well, which is true. It's designed for small jobs, so if you're planning to prep for a crowd, this won't cut it. But for quick tasks, it's a lifesaver. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable, compact food processor that can handle small jobs without any fuss. Skip this if you need something for more extensive meal prep. At $39.95, it's a great little tool to have in your kitchen arsenal. So there you have it, 5 smart food processors for every kitchen need. From the affordable Ganaza models to the powerhouse Cuisinart and Ninja options, there's something for everyone. Think about what you really need, and you'll find the perfect fit for your cooking adventures.